Hi, myself Gaurav Arora from Konak Industries, Mumbai, India. We are one of the leading manufacturers of hydraulic equipments and conveying systems. We are in this field from last 2 decades, and this company has been established by Mr. S. Sunil Kumar Arora in a year of 1993. We are specialized in a wire rope splicing machine. We have a complete range of wire rope splicing machine right from 40 tons up to 2000 tons. That means for splicing the wire rope from 4 mm up to 73 mm in a single bite. Beside this, we also have a compact models for each and every tonnages. For example, in a 300 ton, we have a full-fledged and a compact model. In a full-fledged model, you can splice up to 25 mm in a single bite, whereas in a compact also you can splice 25 mm in a single bite, where in a full-fledged model you can do a multi-splicing also for splicing wire rope up to 32 mm. Equally, we have a 500 ton full-fledged and a compact one, and like that similarly we have 600 ton full-fledged and a compact model. We hereby demonstrate our new 1000 tons wire rope splicing machine. This machine can splice up to 50 mm of wire rope in a single bite. This machine is constructed in 4 tie rods, which you can see, and 3 platen constructions. The die pad is mounted on a moving platen as well as on a top platen. The dies are locked in a die pad by means of tightening of Allen bolts. We provide this hub system which ensures the linear movement of the moving pattern and as well as transforming the complete force at the center of the machine, which ensures the proper splicing of the wire rope. Along with this 1000 tons wire rope splicing machine, we also give, it comes with an 25 HP power pack with a dual pump technology, which ensures the accurate splicing of the wire rope with a complete flow of hydraulic oil at the 315 kg per centimeter square. Along with this, we also provide Star Delta starter for 25 HP motor. Along with this machine, we also provide operational and maintenance manual with a pressure chart. According to the diameter, you will get the pressure chart for splicing of the wire rope, and we ensure of good quality, time bound delivery and after sales services. Thank you.